Hello kids, welcome back to our learning channel. Today we are going to learn something very colorful and exciting. Adjectives. Wow! So are you ready? Let's begin our fun journey. Adjectives are words that describe a noun. They tell us more about a person, place, thing or feeling. For example, I met a homeless person in New York. A large car cannot pass through a narrow road. We ate some delicious food last night. Here, the words homeless, large, narrow, and delicious are adjectives because they describe the noun. Activity. Underline the adjectives in these sentences. My father is taller than my mother. There are some green apples on the plate. I bought a new and expensive car. Did you underline? The words taller, green, new, expensive are adjectives. Adjectives can come before a noun or after a verb. Examples. This is a large, beautiful English mansion. Rajat is a smart kid. My brother is a strong boy. There was a loud noise from my sister's room. Adjectives make sentences more interesting and colorful. Fill-ups. Now, fill in the blanks using these adjectives. Dark, ripe, melodious, moonless, fluffy, sweet. Ralph has a melodious voice. The plums are ripe and sweet. It was a dark and moonless night. My pillow is really fluffy. Great work. Now, let's explore the types of adjectives. Adjectives of quality tell us what kind. Examples. Chris is a naughty boy. I have a black dog. Adjectives of quantity tell us how much or how many. Examples. I ate some roasted chicken. Many people came to the fair. Demonstrative adjectives point out which one. Examples. This car is made in Japan. That flower is very beautiful. Possessive adjectives show ownership. Examples. Your car is made in Japan. His role in the project is important. Interrogative adjectives ask questions. Examples. Which way is the bathroom? Whose team are you in? What fruit do you like the most? Dice. Underline game. Underline the adjectives of quality in these. We had a tasty meal. Tasty. The garden was full of pretty tulips. Pretty. I like the new monthly story. New monthly. Superb. Now, let's practice with adjectives of quantity. Fill in the blanks using several, many, little, all, some, few, much. My mother bought a few jars. I have much work to do. Many reporters are standing outside. I accidentally spilled a little juice. Can you please count all the pages? She read several books during the holidays. I bought some apples from the market. Well done. More practice. Underline adjectives of quality. Is this shirt with blue buttons yours? Blue. These mangoes are delicious and ripe. Delicious, ripe. I like these children. They are hardworking. Hardworking. Now, let's practice possessive and interrogative adjectives. Write 2 sentences with each possessive adjective. His. This is his book. The dog wagged his tail. Your. Is this your pen? I like your dress. My. This is my bag. I love my family. Its. The cat licked its paw. The tree lost its leaves. Our. We are in our classroom. This is our car. Their. They love their garden. The children are doing their homework. Her. She forgot her phone. The teacher praised her idea. Complete the sentences with interrogative adjectives. What kind of smoothie do you want? At which park are we playing? Whose bottle is this? Dice. Underline challenge. In these sentences, underline the adjectives and mention their type. My father is as busy as a bee. Busy, quality. That tall building is my home. Tall, quality. My, possessive. Trish is a talented artist. He is the fifth one. Talented, quality. Fifth, quantity. Time to revise. Today we learned adjectives describe nouns. They can show quality, quantity, ownership, demonstration, or ask questions. We did fill-ups, underlining, and correction exercises. Fantastic job, kids! You are now adjective experts. Great job, kids! Today you learned a lot about adjectives in a fun way. Very good! If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time with a new lesson. Bye, kids! Thanks for watching.